mabigating guest, mga Korean superstars.
Yes, Korean
So,
superstars.
kailangan din talagang abangan.
Ayan, syempre abangan niya ng ating mga Kapuso and Kampwa NCAA fans. Back to the ballgame panel, Anton and Coach Hammer.
Shoutout sa nanay ko, pamangkin ko, ate ko, sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye!
Marunong si Kokoy, partner. Nahawa sa mga NCAA players, magaling din bumate. No, but congratulations to Lexi and the entire Running Man cast for a great first season, and that's why all of the Kapusos are looking forward to season 2 in a different temperature naman. The temperature that will make Coach Hammer Martin Antonio grow a beard and wear the beanie.
Alala mo pa.
Saan ka ba nun? Sa Cleveland?
Sa
Ohio?
Ohio. Columbus.
Columbus, Ohio. Meanwhile, Mingming Puzon to the girl who's been doing damage. And she has been straight fire. Oh! And she drops the hammer. Jonah Dolorito.
10 points for Jonah Dolorito.
She is playing possessed right now. Jonah Dolorito coming off her second 20-point performance. And Zam Nolasco trying to bring out the fire extinguisher here for Benil.
Ito yung kailangan nilang gawin. Kailangan nilang puntahan ng puntahan. Kasi pag pinupuntahan nila yung mga middle attackers nila, nagkakaroon ng problema ang handling ng LPU when it comes to their defense.
An ace by Nolasco.
Our set is tied at 3 points apiece.
One thing you can't allow Benil to do is to settle down. Once they start settling down and getting their groove, they're going to be very hard to stop.
Parang diesel sila ngayon.
This girl is on fire.
Hala ko, kakantahin mo.
Jonah Dolorito with 11 points already.
Yep.
Osada. Mondoniedo. Osada. Cloan to Mitch. Pio. Estoque. Check ball daw. Sabi ni first referee Justin Cruz.
And Win Estoque really needs to step up ngayon dahil si Gail Pascual lang tsaka yung mga middle attackers nila yung nakakakuha ng puntos. So you need another variation. Ace here.
For Gail Pascual.
Now LPU having problems with their first ball. Their reception. This is 2 service aces already, Coach Hammer. Good pass. Dolorito. Not over. Not over.
4 touches for LPU.
Now this is where consistency comes into play. That has been her sweet spot. But a miss hit there for Jonah. Back set. Tulang didn't get the elevation. Cloan to Gale. Popped up. Dolorito. Blockers were there. Chance ball given up to Benilde. Running attack. Lopez. Tulang. Mondoniedo. Estoque. Tulang. Mondoniedo to Mitch Gamit.
Babalikan at babalikan natin pagka nadadala nila on that middle quick attack.
Mitch Gamit has been the barometer for CSB's or Benilde's success here in season 99. Tulang.
Now serving for the Lady Pirates, Jaja Tula.
Oh,
Yun lang.
First
8-5 in favor of Benil. At sa aming pagbabalik, we'll have another courtside update from Lexi
5
Gonzalez.
for the Lady Pirates.
You won a rookie MVP. I feel like this is the sweetest feeling for you, especially returning to the NCAA. Your thoughts on that? Kasi syempre, ikaw, alam ko, ang expectation mo sa sarili mo, mataas. Pero syempre, hindi mo naman i-goal na mag-rookie MVP. Ano naman yung mga feelings mo, thoughts mo about winning rookie MVP?
Yun, exactly. Every game parang one game at a time yung
NCAA Season 99. I'm Lexi Gonzalez reporting for both our teams today. LPU versus Benil. Improving their performances is a common goal for all our players regardless of their backgrounds. Para nga kay John Duguna of the Lady Pirates, gusto raw nila ibalik ang eagerness and hunger to play. While for the Benil Lady Blazers na si Jessa Dorog, she's striving to better herself each day and she's using her being a team captain as a training and investment for her team's future. That's all, Anton and Coach Hammer.
Aggressive na siya ha.
And we
Paki-inform ha, bibigyan ko ng yellow card.
Wow. Yellow card, of course, means a warning.
Warning for, I think this is...
Wow,
Coach
Coach Jerry, he's in an animated discussion with our commissioner, Dr. Robert Milton Calo. I have not seen Coach Jerry this animated all season.
Just a few clarifications, I think.
Wow.
And a yellow card.
I haven't seen that before, and he's still talking to the commissioner.
Yellow card for the Lady Blazers for this card.
That's the most adamant I've seen Coach Jerry in 3 seasons, actually. Remember in season 97 when he never called the timeout? So he was just calm that year. This year, despite their dominance, Coach Jerry has
Yeah, touch for
really found
Benil.
ways to make things interesting.
Now serving for the Lady Pirates, Jonah Dolorito.
12 points already for Jonah Dolorito. Mondoniedo.
Jessa Doro off the block.
Dorog scores off the block.
Now serving for Benil, Mitch Gunn.
Doguna over the blockers.
Joan Duguna.
The number 4 scorer in the NCAA. It's her turn now, Joan Doguna.
Laki na in-improve ni Duguna
On deck to serve
from
for the
last
Lady
season.
Pirates.
Last season,
Court
maganda na yung
Bio.
nilalaro niya, pero ngayon yung percentages niya. Mas pino na siya pumalo, maganda yung approach niya. Saka mas kondisyon.
Good dig by Doguna. Back row
Jonah
bomb by
Dolorito.
Jonah Dolorito.
One of her best games for this season. Pakong-pako yung palo. Right there.
First court is 8 serving.
I would say this is her best start. If she eclipses the 25, this will officially be her best game. And if they win, okay, of course. Well, if they win, that would be the best game of her career, I would say.
Their career.
Correct. Getigan, what a pass.
Oh, good hustle by this LPU defense.
Oh, wow. Fiona Getigan.
Ganda nung basa ng Dorog.
Standing ovation for Getigan. Wow. What a dig from the back row. My goodness. Look at
Now
this.
serving for Benil. Flo Mondoñedo.
Made it all possible. Dorog. Oh, miss hit.
Attack goes out.
Balik sa service 9 si Mingming.
Now serving for LPU. Feliz Puso.
Mondoñedo. Pascual. Doguna. Another save, this time by Dorog. Oh! Tulang raises the roof. Regalo.
Oh, good job
Osada.
by Hiro Osada not giving up on that play. It's just being at the right place at the right time.
Kung meron kayong gustong target, gamitin nyo yung daliri nyo. Huwag nyo gagamitin nga yung sinasabi kong niro-roll nyo yung kamay nyo. Wala ngang control doon. Nung ko pa kinokorek yan sa inyo, huwag yung spike, in-roll nyo, then tatarget nyo. Hindi ganon. Gamitin nyo yung daliri nyo. Naintindihan nyo? Sa sobrang kaba nyo, kaya pwede yun. Daliri, papunta sa 1, abot sa 1 yan, abot sa 7 yan. Naintindihan? Bakit pati kayo nakiki-join sa referee? Ay natataranta kayo. Wewe, ayaw mo nang laro. Umiilag ka sa bola, Wewe.
Nananaginip ba ako o nagsalita si Coach Jerry sa huddle?
Well, that's what happens in practices. Yan ang ginagawa nila. Finer points, finer details. Now, Benilde has been challenged. Nakikita mo na yung mga slight details eh. Pag ganito ka lang kasi team mo, detalye na eh. Kita mo yung pag-control ng bola. Babalikan at babalikan mo eh.
Long rally. Doguna. Picked up by Puzon. Tulang! Wow!
Jaja Tulang.
Jaja Tulang breaks down the wall. And not just any wall.
Our score is
The Benilde Lady Blazers wall. With some space to operate. Nolasco. Puzon was there. She's smiling. Doguna. Floan to Dorog. Osada was there. Mondoñedo back set to Pascual. Buhay pa. Puzon to Doguna. Getigan to Dorog. And Dorog scores.
And Dorog has been the most consistent place hitter nila ngayon. Yung mga pwesto na dadalhin yung bola, siya yung pinaka-consistent and yung mga basa nila, especially in the second set, maganda.
11 all. Tulang.
net touch for LBU.
Net touch.
Our score is 12.
Balikan naman sa Benilde. This match has finals vibes actually. As we see Osada score one-on-one.
Good attack right there, up the gut of that defense. Perfectly placed ball, quick attack sa gitna. And Velasco medyo malayo-layo pa sa net.
Hiro Osada, 21-year-old from Davao City.
Good single block. Ganda ng depensa ng LPU ngayon dito.
Still a good effort, Coach Hammer.
Ganda ng depensa ng LPU, but again, the Benilde blocking, courtesy of Gail Pascual, getting a kill block right there.
Christy Ondangan is in for the first time. Coach Jerry pulling out some aces.
For Christy Ondangan.
And an ace is exactly what he got.
Malalim yung bunot.
Our score is 14 serving 12.
Does have a lot of aces. That's for sure. Dolorito. Lopez. Kulang. No touch.
Attack goes out.
Hingi siya ng check.
And Coach Cromwell calls a timeout.
Timeout, Lady Pirates.
Niya sa ibabaw. Anong gagawin natin? Alam natin kung anong gagawin natin dyan. Okay, tama naman yung pinaporma natin. Dumidepensa tayo. Okay? Kailangan lang ma-convert natin. Nakukuha. Hero, bilisan ha. Pasahan nyo muna. Okay, isang magandang pasa. Patakihin mo. Natindihan nyo. Sipag lang, sipag. Tsagain nyo lang, ha?
Concern on the side of LPU. Coach Cromwell Garcia does not want Benil to get into that comfort zone where they just pull away from teams and then close them out. Oh! Mondangan straight to the net. Service error for Benil.
Serving for the Lady Pirates, Hiro Osada.
Osada, what a match she has played. Mondoniedo to Pascual. Oh wow, Doguna picking it up. Dolorito cross court. Getigan was there. Estoque! Regalo para kay Gamit!
Mitch Gamit. Second
And
technical
Mitch
timeout
Gamit puts
of the
Benil on
second
top
set.
by 3.
Our score is 16 for the Lady Blazers, 13 for the Lady Pirates.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa...
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess noon. Challenge kay Anton yun. With Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys, we were doing...
There's Kokoy De Santos and Angel Guardian of Running Man Philippines. And let's not forget Woody on his right shoulder. Pati si Woody nasama sa interview. Coach Hammer Martin Antonio in Korea. What would Coach Hammer do?
Eat Korean army soup. That's what I would do there. Check sneakers. At kung sasali ako running man, mukhang tayong dalawa dapat magkasama doon. Pero kasi yung running man, kanina nga yung running man na alam ko yung Ben Richards running man eh.
Masyado tayong madidistract, partner, kung pumunta tayo doon. Kaya dito na lang tayo. Samantala, Jaja Tulang, cross court. Mondoniedo. Mitch Gamit again.
Mitch Gamit.
Mitch Gamit. What a season for her. The barometer for Benil's success here in season 99. Mondoniedo to Gamit. Dolorito. Mitch Gamit again.
Has a block point for the Lady Blazers. Our score is 18 serving 14.
Dolorito.
Jonah Dolorito.
Haba pa to.
Now serving for the Lady Pirates, Jonah Dolorito.
13 points for Jonah Dolorito. Pero dito sa laban na to, naka-ace na. Hindi lang puro palo. Mitch Gamit again. Back row. Another one.
Jonah Dolorito.
Yung sweet spot niya yung back row. I think unofficial, mga 3, 4 na siya puntos na galing dyan sa likod. So 14 puntos na rito.
Score is 16, serving 18.
Yun lang.
Service error. Substitution for the Lady Blazers. Number 3, Mitch Gamet out. Number 10, Michael Go in.
Micah Go returns.
Survey for video. Michael Go. Has an ace for Michael Go.
So LPU is trying to contest this one. So in the end, LPU just accepts the initial call and Puzon says, let's move on. Bio.
There you go.
Hart Bio. Substitution for the Lady Pirates. Number 19, Hart Bio out. Number 8, Stacy Lopez in.
Stacy Lopez is now in for
On deck
LPU.
to serve for the Lady Pirates, Stacy Lopez.
Mondoñedo. A Christy Ondangan running attack. Mondoñedo to Doro Lopez. Great pass. Mondoñedo. Off of a great pass by Gail Pascual.
And Doro getting a point there. Saka mas challenged yung depensa ngayon ng Binilda. Ngayon natin nakikita na dominate talaga sila.
For the Lady Blazers.
We're seeing some great big passes here in this match. Daguna right in between the blockers.
Joe Daguna, after covering that backside, getting rewarded here with an attack. Ay na ba siya sweeper dun sa likod? Saan na nakapagod yun? Pag nandurong ka? Playing both ways.
Mondoñedo.
Tag goes out.
Almost hit our linesman sa sobrang lakas ni Jessa Dorog.
The score is 19-21.
So to answer your question about Osada, she is a transferee. So not a
fresh high school student.
Not a freshman, but still considered an NCAA rookie.
Yep.
And there she is. Guzman. Tulang. Mondoñedo. Buzon. Daguna gets roofed.
Good defense by Kirsty Ondongan and Gail Pascual on that combi block. Experiencing long, powerful rallies.
Timeout, Lady Pirates.
There you go. Combination. I think that point will be awarded kay Ondongan.
Yun yung pinakamalakas sa palo mo? Oo. Lakas mo pa! Yan. Wala tayong problema magkamali dito. Huwag kayo matapos magkamali. Yan. Matututo kayo sa pagkakamali na yan. Trabahuhin lang natin. Bigay! Bigay nyo lahat!
Problema magkamali. Bomba lang. Ubaga, weapons free.
Love that huddle by Coach Cromwell Garcia. No pressure, no fear, just play. And give it your best shot.
Our score is 20-17.
Oh, what a set. But what a save by the setter, Tloan Mondoñedo. And Estoque underneath the ball on that attack.
Hindi pa rin nakakuha ng... Alam mo yung kahit lamang dito yung binild, parang they're still playing
for LPU
outside of their system.
Bad first ball by Benil. LPU with a chance to score again. Dolorito. She does.
Perfectly executed play here. Sumama.
Magpwesto, sabay papalo kayo ng malambot. Malambot ba yung palo nila? Ano gusto nyo mangyari? Paano kayo mananalo nyo?
Tibay tayo sa depensa, girls.
Umurong ka na, sinundot mo pa. Ano ba yan? Kung sasalo ka, saluhin yung tama.
Again, going back to the fundamentals, if you're going to get that reception, you have to do it properly. Konting reminders galing kay Coach Jerry. And you can play half-hearted.
So the Jerry timeout counter reads 4 now. He's called 4 timeouts in this match. That's a season high for Coach Jerry.
Substitution.
Gail Pascual elevating above the blockers.
That's what they need. That's what they really need.
Mitch Gamit and Benil. Can't believe I'm saying this. Trying to win a set for the first time here in this match. Ondangan with an ace.
The Lady Blazers are now at set point.
What a serve by Christy Ondangan. Set point for the defending back-to-back champions. Goes on, back set, tulang, oh no. Cromwell wanted something strong.
Attack goes on.
Unfortunately, the first one wasn't strong. The second one was out of control. So Benilde takes this second set 25-21 to tie things up at 1 set apiece, and we are back to ground zero.